Specs. Unit type, starter, voltage, 12, rotation, CCWTeeth, 14. Compatible with, replacement for Arrowhead, 410-54009, cargo, 111922, JN, 410-54009, Kawasaki, 21163 S003, Leicester, 18332, Mitsuba LT80-CS90, SM 10230, Stalker starters, SA 101, SA 101 AM, Suzuki, 31140 BOO, 31140 BO1, Tucker Rocky, 495712, 495712. Compatible with, replacement for, Kawasaki KSF80KFX80-2003, 2006, Suzuki LT80 Quadsport 1987-2006. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter built to meet OEM specifications for Kawasaki, Suzuki. Verify the part fits before purchasing. Specs. Unit type, starter voltage, 12 rotation, CCWTeeth, 14 replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SMU0033 cargo, 111922 JN, 410-54009 Kawasaki, 21163 S003 Leicester, 18332 Mitsuba, LT80-CS90, SM10230 STOCKERS starters, SA 101, SA 101 AMSUZ UKI, 31140 BOO, 31140 BO1 Tucker Rocky, 495712, 49-5712 fits. Kawasaki KSF80 KFX80-2003, 2006 Suzuki LT80 Quadsport 1987-2006. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect stock replacement. Quality was just as good as stock, install went perfect and started right up. I don't see any issues with it arising anytime soon. For the price you can't beat it.